Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live market analysis webinar. Today is Monday, the first day of the week, and I hope that you are having a great day so far. How are you guys doing today? Where are you watching us from? Please uh, leave the country you are watching us from on the chat box so I can see here. So we are about to start with the first one. Just let me resize a little bit the picture just to make sure. Okay. It looks like the picture is cut it off, but why is that? uh, just bear with me, guys. Okay, I think now it's fine. So let's get started with uh, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And first one, on the daily chart, we see that price comes at this resistance here, and after that we expect to see some rejection, or we expected to see the price to break to the upside. Right now, because the market, when is at resistance, it can go both ways. Okay, uh, we can't always think that it's going to stop and reverse. All right, so at this point here, I would like to encourage to everyone to be just a little bit patient and understand either you're going to see a reversal price action with some kind of false breakout, let's say, or you're going to see a break to the upside. Okay. Rumen said we can't see the chart. Let me try and resize it. Why that happens? I don't know why this happens now. Mm, just bear with me. I don't know why this is happening with the picture, guys. Let's see now if it's better. Is it better now? That's very weird because it's a little bit better but blurry. That's very weird because I didn't change any settings at all. So uh, okay. We only see the right, left. Why is this today? Yeah, save. Come on, what's the problem here? Yeah, now I find out that you guys can't see something problem with the trading view today. If we change this to oh, guys, sorry, I don't know. It's something with the trading view today. Can't I can't help you with that. That's very weird. Yeah, it looks like it's much on Zoom. I can see that. Yes, Ruben. Oh, well, let me try to keep it like this. At least we go through some currency pairs. What about now? Yeah, I can see it from here. Alrighty. Anyway, guys, the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Yeah, let's keep it like that. Australian dollar against the US dollar. That's a 4-hour chart. We do expect to see some reaction around this resistance, and afterward, we want to see what's gonna happen. Either we're gonna push to the upside or we're gonna move lower. Next one is the Great British Pound against the US dollar. There is more room for the market to push higher in this currency pair. There is a little bit of room still until we reaches this area of resistance. So if we go down to the 15-minute chart, maybe we can see some volatility picking up until price is going to reach this level. So let's see what's going to happen in about 45 minutes with the London Open. Next one, the euro against the US dollar. Here it is. And price made higher highs and higher lows, as you guys see here. And we do consider for some more, we consider more bullishness in this one. If we check the weekly chart, you see that price touch at the 40 period moving average, and therefore we expect it to experience maybe some rejection. But on the 4-hour chart, on the other hand, you see that there is a bit of consolidation here. We are at the extreme of the upper band of the Bollinger Band, and therefore I will be waiting for the price to come a little bit to the downside before I will start looking for longs. To continue trading to the upside with all this impulse move, it's a bit of dangerous for me in terms of reward to risk. Okay, just in terms of reward to risk, I'm talking about, not and nothing else. Because we know that the market can keep moving to the upside for or to downside for extended period of time. Something I spot on the weekly analysis, it's the Kiwi that it's a bit more clear than the rest. Like on the weekly chart here, you see that the price broke and close above the moving average. Therefore, we expect to see some more bullishness until this area of resistance that the 0.60555. If we go down to the 4-hour chart, I like the fact that there are maybe sellers appear here and a kind of consolidation by the price at this point. So if we're going to see some correction, I will be looking to pick it up from anywhere around this area and to go long, target this resistance, that's 0.6055. Right, guys, any questions so far? Next one, USD Canadian dollar. I will be looking to sell this one on the weekly chart. If you guys will see, there is a clear room for the price to move and test this monthly support. So what I will be looking for today is to see buyers to pick up this move, come somewhere there, if they're going to manage to do today, or maybe it's going to happen tomorrow. And afterwards, I will be looking to short it. Another pair, it's going to be the USD CHF. I spotted a head and shoulders on the 4-hour chart, and it's this one here. Price made this left shoulder, then it made the head, then it made the right shoulder, and then it broke with massive volume to the downside. Therefore, a pullback somewhere here will be ideally to initiate some short positions, and I will be targeting all this area here. I will be targeting this low there. Okay, so that's my plan for for this week, actually, because that's a 4-hour chart. It's a bit long-term approach. I mean weekly. Another great pair that I like, a good pair that I like in terms of reward to risk and setup, is the USD JPY. Very bearish weekly chart, and on the 4-hour chart, here is the 4-hour chart. The price can retrace a little bit back to the middle of the Bollinger Bands, and then we see some rejection. So we're going to take some short positions. Next one is the Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. Bullish engulfing on the weekend, bullish engulfing on last week completed. So on the 4-hour chart this week, I will be looking to buy. We can go to the 15-minute chart, or we can go to the hourly chart and look for our entry criteria. So we will buy this. Euro against the Japanese yen, weekly chart. Again, bullish engulfing on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, price is drifting at the top, up the upper band, and on the uh, on this hourly time frame, it looks like bullish rather than bearish. But despite this, I will be waiting for some sellers to appear before I will be looking for long positions. Let's check the gold on the weekly chart. As you maybe saw the video I posted on TradingView, reversal candle price action followed now by a weak opening, a weak European open. So on the 4-hour chart, I commented as well about this consolidation. I do expect to see sellers to pick up and strongly move this market lower. But remember, here there is an area of support that must be respected. And also there, it's another area of support that must be respected if the price keep moving lower. But saying that, we are willing to take this to the downside because it's a high probability trade. WTI weekly chart, it closes below the 40 period moving average, as you guys see, so that's bearish. Then on the 4-hour time frame, we see that the price is drifting around this lower band with some bullish divergence. It might bring this to the middle of the band and get rejected here. If that's going to happen, I will definitely be looking to sell it with to hold the position until the 77.50 area. That's found it to be a strong support. And the last one for today is the German 40, where the price on the 4-hour chart is consolidating and is trying to pick up some momentum left from Friday. So I will be looking to go on the hourly time frame and see what's going to happen. Either we're going to see a break to the upside or a break to the downside based on this one here. So you can mark this on your chart. So break below there or break above there. Okay, and then I will be looking uh, for more trending setups. Guys, apologies for this chart problem today on the TradingView. I don't know why, because I'm using TradingView to stream. I already submitted a ticket, to be honest, and I hope that tomorrow it's going to be fine. So that's all from me today. I wish you to have happy trading, and I look forward to see you again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone.